Hi, today we have a tiger eye bracelet. It's great to give you calmness, increase your creativity, or also just to keep you focused. I love to have this on while I'm working. It just creates those positive energies that I need to get my work done. The set also comes with these white quartz stones, which I like to place around a little disc like this with a little light. And again, it's to kind of create a positive energy around you, a calmness, create any negative energy that might come your way into positive so that you can focus and work, stay calm, and just increase your creativity. It comes with a beautiful little sack here to kind of put your stuff away when you're done using it or need to travel with it. Also comes with an extra set of the tiger eye in case you need to make it a little bit bigger or you need to, replace some of the stones. It does come with extra ones here.